Hello, my name is Peter, and today I'm here to guide you through a crash course, Kurkuma's crash course. We have set up several steps for you to go through, install Kurkuma, see how Kurkuma works, see how Kurkuma can benefit you, what to do or don't to do, and some tips and tricks from that we've gathered over the time that we've been working for Kurkuma. Kurkuma is essentially a live sales tool. It allows you to take advantage of live commerce. Live commerce or live shopping or live stream shopping, depends on what you like to call it, is this latest trend in e-commerce, which started somewhere in Southeast Asia and now it's making its way into Europe and America. It's very successful. It has really promising stats, and you should definitely try to join it. It's comparable to old school teleshopping or old school infomercials, as they call them. Usually you get a host who will be showcasing all the cool and interesting products that you are selling, and you will have the viewers watching the stream, trying to make purchases, asking questions and interacting with him or her. There are multiple benefits that come to live commerce. Live commerce increases the traffic to your website. That's one of the more important ones. It has very high conversion rates. It increases the basket size that people use when they are trying to shop out. It decreases the amount of returns, because if you successfully showcase items, people actually know what they're buying, compared to traditional e-commerce. And of course, there's this sort of sense of community building that you can do with live commerce. So there's quite a lot of benefits to it, and I'm really hoping that you're going to enjoy this. And remember, in case you need any help throughout this process, just get in touch with us at support@kurkuma.com. Me and my colleagues are really eager to help, so don't hesitate.